Alright, it's Friday, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been gone all day. We drove about 80 miles. Went to maybe 20 sales or so. Spent $307, and man, what a haul. We did really, really good today. Look at all this. I mean, we'll show you everything later, but I mean, look, the back of the car is full. All kinds of stuff. Back seat is full. And we'll bring all this stuff into the house, and like we usually do, we will figure out what it's worth or what we think we can sell it for and make a little video about it. We got 3 Harley items. Now I buy Harley stuff all the time. You just can't go wrong with it. Now here's a Harley shirt. It looks like a woman's cut to me, and it doesn't have anything on there, and I don't know if that's so you can embroider your own. I imagine it probably is. But this is the back of the shirt. This is the front of the shirt with a zip. Really nice shirt, excellent condition. Harley, again, with a blank logo. A Harley Davidson jacket, not a leather, but it's got, you know, the black and the orange color, the Harley Davidson logo, a great patch on the back. Oh, so the shirt is 20 to 30. The jacket is 50 plus or minus. So we got a nice pair of Harley women's boots. These are selling, this particular model, in the 30 to 50 range. These closer to 50 because of the condition. And also bought a pair of black dot waterproof ski pants. Almost 200 out of this stuff, at least 150. There's more to come. Right, so at that same yard sale, we also bought a Kathmandu Polar Tech jacket. Really excellent condition. These sell for about $25 or $30 used. A neat Minnesota Wild hockey shirt. Snoopy, Woodstock, and Charlie Brown. Now I can't find any of these shirts anywhere for sale, but I do find Minnesota Wild fan apparel selling pretty well. You know, let me see if I get a better picture of that. Yeah, there we go. That's a little better. So I don't know. That's a wild card. I'm thinking I can get between 25 and 50 for that. There just aren't any out there, and it's in virtually new condition. Really it is. Alright, and a random assortment of other stuff from that same day. A couple of books for $1 a piece. Got a copy of Foxfire. This is Foxfire 5. I believe there's 8 in the series. These are very popular. They're selling pretty steady in the $10 to $15 range. I bought 2 copies, Stories of the Glorious Past of Ironton, Ohio. I always buy specific town and state histories whenever I see them. And this one was no exception. I got 2 copies of this for $1 a piece, and I find them that I can sell probably both of them for about $25. Sometimes a lot more, sometimes less. We bought the DVD player for $5 because we needed it. And I don't know, what are they, $25 or so, 20 or 25 in the store, so we needed one for $5. That's a good price. We bought 4 seasons of King of the Hill DVDs, all in excellent condition. Those will sell for about $25 or so. Bought DVD Tommy, and those are selling for $15 plus or minus, pretty steadily. Kath bought this for her sister's Christmas stocking. Bacon scented erasers. We're going to give it away, of course, but we did look it up, and that's selling for about $8 on eBay. We bought 8 of these little containers for $2. Something that we need for ourselves. We use them to mix up certain things and store things, or you know, bring things in picnics. So that was pretty good. For 50 cents, I bought 2 pair of O'Neill women's plaid golf shorts in, I would say, like new condition. For 50 cents. They're both the same size. I can sell these for, they're selling for about $10 a pair. So that's $20. Bought a fishing rod and reel. Now the reel is junk. Paid $3 for this. But I needed the rod because I have another small reel that doesn't have a rod. So that's just for me. For $3, that's the right price for a fishing pole. Bought this Typewriter collectible ring. Here it is right here. It's a skull ring, biker ring. We paid $100 for this, and we're finding it. Similar ones are selling between $200 and $300, and people are asking $500 to $800 for these rings, but really they're selling in the $200 or $300 range. So we should be able to double our money. It's in great condition. Shouldn't be too hard to resell that. What we didn't realize was inside that box, I don't know if you can see it, it was a Harley Davidson ring, you know, unrelated to this Typewriter thing. It's just a stainless thing with maybe a little glass. I can't get a good, oh, there we are. Anyway, that's maybe a $10 ring, but it was in there, we didn't know about it. I bought this for 25 cents. The Legend of Zelda Nintendo brand t-shirt in perfect condition. And these are selling, or one exactly like this sold for, I believe it was $15 or $18. And that's nice. That's in like new condition. Well, actually, it is new with tags. Alright, the next stop, we spent $29 on some nice clothing. These 5 dress shirts, long sleeve dress shirts. 2 of them are Brooks Brothers. Excellent condition, just back from the dry cleaners. 3 of them are Izod. Now they're all the same size, which makes it nice to build a lot with. These sell $10 to $12 a piece in lots, so that's about $50 right there. I got a Bicentennial Hat from Zion National Park. Can't find any of these at all, so I like it when I got the only one. I can more or less set the price as long as I stay within reason. And Zion Centennial stuff does have a track record of selling, and there are a few items out there, but no hats like this one. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try to get $50 for it. It was part of a $29 lot, so I'd like to work that. This is a Brooks Brothers 100% linen sport jacket, and that is selling for around $50 for a jacket like that. So this was a $29 lot, one stop, some pretty good stuff. One thing I forgot to mention with this lot and the previous lot of clothing, they came on hangers, which is nice because as soon as I'm done filming, I'm just going to pick them up and hang them in the closet. So this lot that's sitting on the table, these things cost us approximately $1 a piece. So there were like 60 some odd items, and it was $70 for all of this. And it's about $400 worth of stuff. So we'll have the breakdown. There's a lot of organic food and some supplements, some tea, coffee, smoothie makings. So this is all stuff that we're going to keep. It's like $150 worth of organic food as part of that 70. And where we're going to get our money back. Okay, so keep in mind, these things are all like $1 a piece. There's this Avoda, I think it's a scuba vest. I'm not really sure. It's new with a tag on it, and I'm assuming $25. I haven't quite found one of those yet. Kids training or teaching videos, and those are not in the best of shape. They're going to end up at our yard sale for $1 a piece. We got this Coffee Boy instant coffee maker. So that's going to sell for about $10. A Cancer face and body wand. These sell, I think, for about $30. This Elage eczema relief cream, which is brand new. It's had a lot of high-end health and beauty aids and products, so we bought those too. $1. This is sealed. One sold for $20 plus shipping. We have these Sprite shower filters. Those sold for $20. These Neo 40 nitric oxide formulas are selling for about $25 a box. Dr. Squatch soap selling plus or minus $10 per bar, and we have 10 bars. Empty Ray-Ban case. We can usually get $5 or $10 even for an empty case. This green tea and aloe conditioner. 2 of them sold for $36 including shipping. This little ginger essential oil. They sell for about $5 or $10 each. Clear zinc oxide face cream, which I'm going to keep. And I use that, and I always use tape. So, I mean, for $70, this was a great lot of stuff at, basically $1 a piece. This was a nice little sports lot we picked up for $25. We got a couple of bats. This is a Mikan softball bat, Mikan recoil. These are selling at $50 plus or minus. We got a Wilson Mr. Peanut bat in perfect condition. Doesn't look like it's ever hit a ball. And this we should be able to get 30 plus or minus for. It's got a couple of vintage Rawlings youth gloves. And these are 10 plus or minus. I think I'm going to end up putting those in the yard sale. And like I explained before, we buy a lot of balls if they're in good shape. And these there's 4 softballs, 4 baseballs, and some, I don't even know, splash bomb is what it says. I don't really care about that. But we'll add these to our lots of baseballs and softballs until we build up, and we'll sell some lots. So for $25, this was a pretty nice lot, you know, pushing $100 worth of stuff. So that was pretty nice. All right, the last 2 items from that haul. We got a Smith Corona Corsair Deluxe Typewriter, turquoise, in a case. And these are selling, in this condition, 50 plus or minus. If we put a new ribbon and service it, they're 100 plus. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to go for the 50 plus or minus. We paid $10 for it. And Kath found herself a nice Real Legend shirt in mint condition for $4. And those are, I think, about $29 or so in the store, so that's nice. You know, $4 for a $20 or $30 shirt is always good. Alright, so I think that's it for that haul. It was a great haul. For the 307, we figure we're in around $1,300 to $1,400 worth of stuff. On the lower end, $1,500 if we get high end on everything. So we're pretty happy with that. And of course, we'll let you know as we sell things. Now, it'd be great if we could just list it and sell it and show you tomorrow what it sold for, but it's not always possible, just because sometimes it'll take us a while to list it, and then you never know. It's going to sell tomorrow, or is it going to sell 6 months from now? But what we will do is every now and then we will go through everything that's sold, make a little video of that, and show you how we're doing. Well, thanks for checking in. Please subscribe so you know when we're putting up more material, and we'll be back soon.